We're playing Raft now. I've never played this game before.
I've played it once.
Hey, are we really already getting eaten? We already had a chance to get any actual stuff.
If I lost,
That's a good start.
We're gonna need some stuff.
Yeah, that doesn't usually happen so quick. It's just
what
just
happened?
going at it. We already lost a piece of our 4-piece boat.
What happens if we lose all pieces?
We lose, I think, because I don't think you can build a raft off of nothing. Maybe the shark won't eat your last piece of wood.
Good thing we got some barrels coming
I
up.
imagine that'd be a thing they'd program.
I see an island up
your
ahead.
entire boat away.
Land ho! We're not gonna make it.
Definitely
but
not
land
land
ho!
because we're not going there.
Land ho!
Oh, he missed me. The shark missed.
Nice.
There we go.
He did not miss
Escape.
me. What do we need to start on?
We need the grill, the purifier, and the fishing
Yeah,
rod.
we need the. I could. No,
I just
can't
need
make
more.
the pure milk.
Alright, I have a grill.
You already had enough for a grill? That's crazy.
Oh.
Hey, we need to make a spear too.
Bruh, I just did that.
That's not a very friendly thing to do.
Yeah, what
Yeah.
the heck, man? This is so mean. I don't really want to waste my supplies on repairing the boat. I'm trying to make a purifier.
I'll build stuff on the boat. How about that?
Here, I can get that barrel.
Who gave up on getting the crate?
Okay, never mind. What?
I don't know. Careful now.
I've taken 2 hits now.
Run back quickly.
I died.
Oh, please.
I'm incapacitated.
Come here. Ow.
Right, I am now left alone on the ship.
We don't have a bed for you. Oh my god, beds are expensive.
Oh, behind you. He's eating
No.
everywhere.
We don't have a spear.
Poke him.
I don't have one.
Before I
Yeah.
died.
Oh
I-
no! I got you,
Thank
Elijah.
you. That was actually a jump scare.
You ladies alright?
Get on up, cameraman.
Oops, actually ate a raw potato. Which is fine. I'm not gonna get like gonorrhea.
Destruct. Destruct. No! No!
I got it, I got it.
Yeah, you shark.
Land ho!
There's a
No,
lamp.
it's, you can only say that if we're actually going there. We're definitely not. I'm very,
Look, our potatoes.
I'm currently dying of starvation again.
What is it attacking? Oh, it's... Yeah, it's dazzle. Oh, is he... Is he dead? Why did he drop down like that? Oh, yo, I got a ton of scrap.
Hey yo.
What's the website? Hey, yo, ton of scrap? What I'm talking about? Even more scrap? I have 5 scrap. Hold on. I could probably make
I'm
a
dying.
research table.
I'm
Yeah, I
dying.
can.
I'm dying of
You're
thirst.
dying of what? Oh. Well, drink up. I got a research table down. That's pretty epic. Place item in slot to research.
I'm actively dying.
Hey, you're telling me.
Land ho!
I don't even see it this time.
Land ho!
Where even is it? I don't see it.
Land ho!
Where?
To
If
the
I
left.
research stuff, will you guys get it too?
Yes.
Yeah, it's clover.
Okay. Look at our potatoes. They look beautiful.
I've been cooking up more fish. I'm slightly not dying now, so if anyone really needs it, go ahead.
Yes. I'm about to
Oh,
get
straight
to
ahead.
the
Oh,
point
actually, you
of
might hit this
starvation.
island. Straight ahead of us.
I think
Yeah,
we might
I'm
not
getting pretty,
unless
my
we
character's
like
getting
build
pretty
off,
hungry.
like to the side.
I'm getting really hungry, so I'm gonna have to take first of all the fresh water because I'm also getting thirsty.
I almost
Just-
had the stuff to make an
just a
axe,
mess.
so I'll try to make an axe, but it makes a lot of wood.
I'm just really a mess right now.
Listen, we're all kind of a mess.
No
Are the potatoes
expansion.
fully grown?
No.
No, you'll be able to harvest. Oh no, they are. You can harvest them.
Oh.
Oh, if I can harvest, that means they're fully grown.
Yeah, they won't let you harvest them.
Right.
Maybe it didn't give you extra. Oh, we didn't repair that.
No, it did. Cause I have 3. Yeah, that's. What do you think I'm doing, Gabe?
I'm saying we didn't like repair it, so I broke something. I got fish.
Oh, water. Okay, there we go.
Okay, let's get more food cooking. Probably a good idea.
Do you have planks for it?
Yeah, put some in.
Okay.
Not much.
Who didn't refill the water?
I need rope.
Yeah, these
Oh, my
currently-
bad. My bad. My bad.
I'm dying.
I was gonna refill it.
Goodbye, island.
Goodbye.
Hello, ocean.
See ya. Wouldn't wanna be ya.
Sea, yeah. 'cause
I was hoping
sea-
you wouldn't call that out.
I don't scare away the fish.
Hey, stop that. That's not very nice. Right, I'm gonna make a.
Oh, I'm actually
Wait, I need.
proper starving right
rope.
now.
Alright, we got a nice little raft here.
We do have a nice little raft.
I am constantly on the verge of death. I'm constantly about to die.
That's okay. Land
No!
ho! Land ho! Land ho!
Fishing rod's almost broken. Using so much.
Oh, I'm getting hungry.
Where's the land?
Oh, I
What are you
forgot to-
saying?
Off to the right.
Oh, I see it
To
over
the
there.
right.
I see it.
You can't look at it straight, you gotta like look at it from an
Yeah.
angle. Oh boy, am I hungry.
My fishing rod broke, but I do have a good amount of fish built up, so I can work on making another fishing rod.
Who keeps not refilling the water?
I don't know. I think so.
Yeah, this music's pretty chill. I'm not gonna lie.
No, I have it turned off. So it was like intense last time. That tilapia I put on the girl's mind. Put another raw herring over there. There we go. Put them with gas.
I didn't even realize we had a second grill.
That must mean you haven't realized that you're not refilling the water too.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Shit, you going after it? Hey! Hey!
It's that Turkish mindset.
Bird going after your crops. I'm really thirsty.
I know. Thank you for scaring it
I
off.
would like the next water. Oh, my hook is.
See how helpful it is when someone doesn't refill the water apparently?
I literally just took it off. I just took it off.
I looked over.
Can I take
I was
your
on the way to
fish?
filling it up, buddy.
Nate, can I take your fish?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay,
put it
because
there
I'm
for
getting pretty
everyone.
hungry.
Ow, I got myself bit by accident. Taking this one.
Raft ho! Raft ho!
Oh yes, I can
Oh yeah,
confirm
we can get that
there's
one. We can get that one.
What's it
We
need?
can probably
I can make a
do it,
paddle.
literally-
I will go and search the raft. I've
Oh yeah,
never
I see
been
a
on it.
chest.
I don't know what to do.
It'll
Land
just, like,
ho!
grab it.
Land ho!
Yeah, this is another island I'm not seeing.
Raft
You just
and
grab the chest and it'll
land
just start
ho.
sinking.
Run, 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 run. Get.
Hey, wait.
Bruh.
Oh,
They're all gone.
What? No, I
That's-
planted them.
oh, okay.
They are
You already-
still
What?
there.
Did you take the potatoes that were already in there?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Bruh. Those were mine. I have the bag.
No.
Peace.
No. You never refilled the water.
I just did. I just refilled it.
I don't have any more fish to cook, I realize, so I'm gonna keep fishing to get some more.
Oh whoa.
Land
Oh,
ho!
Good.
Land ho! Land ho! Land.
We switched direction actually, we turned a full 90 degrees.
Lamp?
I mean, maybe.
Hey, get out of here.
But I can make an axe, I have the stuff for
He
it.
has to be close.
Oh, I don't have the planks actually.
Fishing rod has been made.
Nice. If I had 6 planks, I could make an axe.
Bruh.
But we can probably skip that island. It's not big enough to be worth going over there.
Is there anything we need to do, like, right now?
Fish.
I absolutely sniped
You
that
got,
barrel.
you got.
As if you weren't lined up for it for like 30
No,
seconds.
I wasn't. I had to jump out the boat to get it to line up properly. I actually jumped in the air and pulled it in right at the water. It was pretty sick.
I hate you both.
It was a good attempt, man. Oh, my spear is broken. I need to make a new one.
Go get it, Malaysia.
I'm starving, I'm thirsty, I'm in the perfect shape to fight a shark.
Yep,
Exactly.
pretty much.
No planks, so absolutely just nothing.
Oh, there's another ship.
Oh, there
Or
is.
another raft.
Oh, yeah, it's
over
up
there
there.
to our right.
I don't know if we can really get to that.
I pushed the wrong button. I ate my raw herring.
We don't have near enough for a sail, so I think we're gonna miss that
Jumbo.
one. We can really easily get to that raft.
Wait, Elijah, you
I
said
can
you were
paddle.
thirsty. I won't take the. Oh, cooked. It's cooked. Elijah, when
It's
you're
fish.
cooked. Fish. Fish.
Oh,
Fish
thank you.
eats. Fish nom.
I'll steer us toward that raft. Is there a point to get them? Or is it
There's stuff in them. It's just loot.
like
That
useful
would be
or is it
like
just
a chest.
I mean, there could be
That would be
blueprints that we need, but there could be just like rare materials, I guess, like hinges and stuff. Nothing crazy, but
now we have a raft.
I will say though, don't
Oh,
keep
yeah, we
doing
do.
the paddle thing because it pulls us out of the stream of the trash. New trash has to spawn in front of us for us to get it. See how all the trash is over there? Not
Yep.
right here.
Yeah, but I don't know if you
Now
noticed,
we
but
have
that's not the
zero
way.
materials.
We can go without materials for 10 seconds. Calm down.
It's gonna take you a good while to get over there. You're swimming against the current, but okay.
Hey, stop that.
There we go. He's
Oh,
dead.
we killed it. Shark meat. Did you guys get the head?
I did.
Someone did. I didn't.
Shark bait, ooh ha ha. Shark bait, ooh ha ha. Finally killed it.
About
You won't be
time.
back.
Yep, definitely won't be back. What's like the spawn time of the shark? It's like
I don't know.
after you kill it. Another raw here.
Too.
I wonder why.
Yeah.
Damn, why did we get up so early? What could have possessed us to do this? What could have?
Maybe a lying,
But I'm
maybe a lying scumbag.
Yeah.
Alright, so we researched that much yet? Oh,
No.
you have stuff researched, you didn't learn it.
Oh, my bad.
That. Search
I
that.
don't know. I thought it was just
Search that.
my bad.
No, you have to tell it to learn stuff. Search screw. Yeah.
If y'all want, I can be like the cook and the fisherman.
I fixed
do you wanna be
Roger's
the
rope,
fisher?
so go ahead if you want.
Right.
Alright, so we need to probably work on a
Yeah.
sail next, so I'll work on that. I'll gather stuff for a sail.
What can I get? What can I work on?
I don't know what you need, but I have 15 leaves for you.
I will take that. It will really help. But you need 20 of them. But you now just need planks.
What can I make?
So I'll be working on that.
Here's 10
I
planks.
could make an anchor. I'm
Alright.
really close to making an anchor.
Sail
I could just make an
acquired.
anchor.
Thanks to me, because I apparently had basically everything in my
I
inventory.
don't know
I
how
made,
much
I
stuff
made,
you can gather
an
up, but
anchor.
very thirsty. That's cool. Don't use that yet, because it's only one-time use, so just hold on to it. Use it when we
I
need it.
will. Not that.
Oh, we did not repair that one. Oh my god.
Oh, land.
Land,
I'll throw the
oh.
anchor down.
Does anyone have any raw fish they can give me?
How do I use the anchor?
I don't
Oh,
have
there we go.
that.
Right there. Anchor is down.
Okay. I'll chop off the trees first. I'll put the shark bait down and then we're all ready to try to grab as much stuff this weekend.
I don't think this place has anything.
It'll probably have something. I'll look around a little bit first, I guess.
Has a ton of
Pineapple.
flowers. Found a
Pineapple's
pineapple.
good. If you make the large crop plot, you can, hey!
What?
Harvest the potatoes and regrow them.
Oh no, have
I
the
got it.
potatoes been taken? Okay.
Here, I'll throw them to you.
Who has the axe?
On me.
I don't.
There's row potatoes. There wasn't
What's even
many
the point
trees.
of the flowers?
Maybe dye with them in the late game. You can dye stuff. You can
Do I
dye.
have to go down to grab the anchor, like, in the water?
I have no clue.
Nah, it just gets destroyed. You can only use it once. Until we have a reusable. There's some stuff down there. There's a reef. There's stuff. I'm gonna throw the shark bait down. You already. Oh wait, hold on. It's almost broken. Alright, you guys
My
ready?
fishing rod broke.
Yes.
Alright, as soon as this bait's down, gotta go get stuff. Alright.
Underwater?
Yep. Look for little mounds, grab anything you can. Okay, the sharks are currently biting me and not the bait, but you know. So one of them's on the bait. I hope I don't need
I
both of
got
them
some
on the bait.
clay.
Alright, I'm currently getting bit.
Alright, maybe it only distracts one of the sharks. I'm dead. They both
Oh,
bit
yo,
me.
yo, 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 back up.
Apparently the shark bait did not do very good. You guys wanna grab me?
There you go.
Did you set it to hard mode, Elijah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you were doing that.
See, the shark
Okay,
bait
the
is still
shark
out
bait is
there. They're
not
just not
listening.
going. Alright, I got some
Okay, they're both
clay,
at it
so
now.
I'm
There we go.
gonna
Okay,
search
now you can go. I think we jumped in too quick.
Right.
Though, to give him a chance to.
We got a clay bowl, chat. We got a clay bowl.
We can also make bricks with clay.
You.
Clay and sand you
They're
can make bricks.
making
And
out.
the bricks are the
Stop.
most important thing for the next step of the game. We need
Guys,
bricks.
they're making out. Give them privacy.
I am. I'm under the water. I'm like you.
Wait, whoa,
Guys,
whoa,
get
whoa.
under the water. We gotta get a bunch of stock while they're still chewing on the bait.
Whoa, 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 whoa. The tides.
Are they
Oh,
done with the bait? Because I'm currently under the water and I
yep,
might die.
yep.
I'm
I'm.
incapacitated.
Can we, like, go?
Hey, Bodhi, you have to come get me, please.
I'm waiting.
Bodhi, come get me.
Did you die?
Yes.
Don't worry. Oh, I died.
Bodhi, if you don't get us, this world is over.
How did you die? Hold on, I'm gonna die of thirst.
Okay. Heal yourself
Okay, there we
first.
go.
Because if you die, then it's over. You
Nah,
need to-
Russian.
Ooh, I got Elijah, and then I'll get
That's
Nate.
Elijah.
Thank you for
You
getting
screwed
me,
up.
even though Nate died
You
first.
were closer. You were closer.
Just fair.
Where is Nate? I can't see
I
you.
was slightly faster.
I see you.
You did put him in the bed, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Of course.
Oh yeah, that way even if Bodhi dies, at least we have someone else. Figure something out. Alright, we're all good.
Alright. Hey. Here you go.
Alright, I got a bunch of good stuff. You know,
What, like... Can we get out of here now?
yeah, we can go.
Alright.
I don't have any
Oops, I did
planks.
not mean to do that. How do I...
I only got one clay, unfortunately, so I couldn't research
Hold
anything.
R. Oh, there we go.
I have copper. Does it need to be smelted down and refined?
Yeah, we have to make a smelter before we can label it. We can make the nets, though.
Oh.
Research now.
Oh, yeah, I know what you're talking about. Those...
Oh yeah, I got a thing.
Chat, we are raptors.
Cool.
Decorative package? What?
Oh, that's hype, that's hype. Where can they watch you at? You know, where can the YouTube viewers find you?
Look,
You can
Raft.
find me on youtube.com.
Oh, are you streaming on YouTube and stuff
Yeah.
like that? Find you on Twitch.
There,
Oh,
chat,
let's
we
see.
have storage.
A lantern.
It's nice.
Metal.
I don't have a spear.
Alright, I'm gonna continue fishing.
There's another one.
Oh my god.
I'm done with you. Come here.
Sharks.
Ow, I forgot there's two of them.
I'm almost dead. Here comes the shark. Oh, I thought he was coming to get us.
Somebody didn't fill the water.
I just took it and filled it back up. Always accusing me. As soon as I take
Did
any
I
water.
accuse you?
Yes.
I said somebody.
I'm
You are
somebody, aren't I?
But I didn't directly say you. I said
Oh.
somebody. And I know it wasn't me.
For once.
I filled it up.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh.
I'm getting a little thirsty, so I'm probably gonna need that.
Too bad. Oh.
So sad.
Oh.
Oh. No, there should be. I feel like it's not saying any islands. I feel like we should have found one by now.
Land ho! Land ho!
Are you just saying that? Because I don't see it.
No, it's off to the left.
Yeah, I don't.
I see it. We can get there. You're the captain, Elijah?
I am the captain of this ship.
Okay, captain.
Land ho!
As long as it has some trees, we're probably.
I think I see 2.
There might be more on the other side. You don't know.
Oh, 3 trees. My bad.
That's it. That's more than the last one. It's really not wanting to go sideways because the wind is not allowing it. But I'm trying my best to get us over there. There we go. Okay, we're gone. All we gotta do is just jam ourselves in the island. Hopefully we won't move.
Yeah.
We won't get
Jam.
every time. Yeah.
I think we're going a little left wide. Left. We're going a lot left. We might miss it. We might need to go right a little more. There we go.
I'm making my own little box right here.
Oops.
My box is gonna be right here in front of the planter. This is my box. Please do not take stuff from my box.
This is my box right
Hey,
here.
stop! That's my box.
Front
Stop!
of the bed.
Stop it!
Yeah. Stop.
Stop!
Oh.
My box.
Oh.
Not my box.
Hold
Mine.
on. Can I? Oh, you can't name storages. Never mind. But say if you can name storages, we can just name them.
You can make signs though. I don't have a spear.
I got it. Thank you for not taking us to.
Oh my god, look who's finally here!
About time.
An hour and a half after the time we scheduled.
Assholes,
Yes,
let me sleep.
You
This is the time you set!
we all
I didn't think
Really?
you guys were being serious.
you what why wouldn't we be?
I don't know.
right.
It's way too early.
Why?
Really, you think? Oh
Hold on,
my
I'm gonna
god.
alt tab. Alt tab. Oh my! Finally, God.
We're all in Raft. Come join us.
No.
No?
I'm gonna go.
No,
Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
do it.
Do not dare go back to sleep right now.
I'm so tired.
We are too.
Go to bed then.
Oh, we got up early to play games with you.
Woke up to
looks like-
121 notifications on Discord.
Well, we were trying to get a hold of you because you set the time for this.
I got.
Yeah, I made it.
Well, when did you go to bed?
Like, as soon as I got home, I went straight into my bed and, like, threw my phone on the floor.
If you would have preferred a different time, you could have said so.
I didn't remember, guys. I had a lot.
You didn't actually think we were going to.
No,
games at
I'm fucking
5.
course. I didn't think you guys were gonna wake up at 4 in the morning to play games.
We
with
wanted to
me.
play games with our friends.
We need wood. We need planks.
I
Elijah,
have
how many
a good
planks
amount
did
of
you
them.
get?
By that I mean I have 10.
I only have 11.
I did not make as much as I
Well, we
thought I
need to
would.
put some planks in the water purifier because there's no planks in there.
Oh, I got it.
I did it
don't got
already.
but- okay,
Like
we're-
always, I'm
I
the only one
didn't-
refilling everything.
Clearly, there's some hatred going on.
He's straight lying. Not true. I refilled just as
Alright,
much
are we
as he
done on
does.
this island? Are we done?
Yeah, there's nothing on there. We can leave.
Yeah, whatever works. Hey, we got a lot of sharks.
Two
in
sharks
this
on the
one
same
spot.
spot.
Nah, I'm going after him.
Get 'em.
Okay, I'm no longer going after them.
I don't
Too
have any
scary.
planks. I need planks.
I don't think I really have that much either. I only have
Oh,
one
I
plank.
was
think
gonna
I could
grab
make
that
it
potato because I'm getting kind of hungry.
Alright, guys, I'll start downloading Raft.
Yo, download Uno
I mean,
instead.
Uno.
We're about to stop
Oh.
playing Raft.
Then let me pause my Raft download.
Download Uno.
No.
Download Uno.
I'm
It's
getting kind of
fun.
hungry.
It's free and it's fun.
I'm dead, by the way.
You should have said something.
No,
Turn the raft around.
Someone,
realize-
someone was right there with me when I died.
I will. This because I
Really?
doesn't mean I was watching. You do realize that if we don't get you, you don't come back, right?
You were facing me.
I wasn't paying attention.
the world would be
Okay,
over without
the
Elijah.
raft
Without Elijah.
isn't moving.
There's
So
no-
Elijah.
okay, we
Without
gotta make
Elijah,
fish
there's no-
bait.
The
we gotta
title for
make
this
fish
video-
bait. We
for
gotta
these
scrap these
videos.
sharks. This is actually a great ending because this whole world rather than we can get you back.
This video is gonna be freaking.
We need
Yeah.
to
We
make.
weren't ready for the
Okay,
seas.
literally half of the video is gonna be Elijah dead.
Shut up. I'm gonna
died
edit
in
you
the
out.
first 5 minutes.
I'm gonna edit you both out of this video.
You're never gonna be in the
There'll be
video.
nothing there.
It should just be a fucking like schizophrenia edit where it's just Elijah talking and no one else.
Dying.
No, I have to edit that out. You can't say that. No.
We stopped the boat basically because we're going directly against the wind, so the boat isn't going anywhere. We'll swim back there and find you in just a second. I want to make some shark bait.
We
To distract
Guys,
the
I
shark.
miss John. I miss John.
I wish you would come back.
John was the glue that held us together. We're falling apart.
No, my storage chest. Okay,
No.
they took another piece.
killed him.
Oh, hey, that's good. Actually, perfect timing. Okay, we
Hey,
gotta kill the other
that's
one then.
not
We
I'm
just
still
gotta kill
dead,
the
by
other
the way.
one. We are working on it. You're the one who died and didn't say anything.
You were with me. You were facing
But that doesn't
me.
mean I was paying enough attention to
You
realize
were
you were
facing
dead. I was
me.
doing other things. We're not getting new resources because we're not moving anywhere. Okay, I'm going to, once we get the shark meat, I'm gonna try to solo the shark. I can't, do you have any planks?
No, I have none.
Oh my god, I can't make another
You,
spear. I don't know exactly where you are. I'm swimming straight back.
Hang on.
and
It says
hope the fish
it says
is-
unstuck. I'm on the raft.
You should have not done that. The content would have been way better if we trying to find you.
No, it wouldn't have been, because he's the one recording.
Yeah, but it would have been way better, like, storytelling.
No,
Yeah.
because it would have just
Yeah.
been 30 minutes of him floating around
Oh,
in the
hey.
ocean.
Okay.
Like, you guys look for him.
Game.
Would have been good. It would have been good content.
Are you
Watch that video I put in the Discord.
This is the grand premiere.
Yeah.
The first
yeah,
video.
I'm getting kind of hungry.
All right, we should probably end this.
All
though.
right. Yeah.
That's true. We gotta go.